Hello everyone, welcome to the Nem-Trade. I hope everyone is doing great. Today we are going to talk about the Notcoin, which is currently being farmed. If you have FTUSD or BNB, you can stake in it on the Binance launchpad. It is going to list it on many exchanges. If you have done pre-market trading on Bybit, then it is very beneficial for you. If you are doing currently pre-market trading on kucoin, it may be a drag for you if you are on the buy side, because Notcoin means nothing. It has nothing at its back. And we are also going to talk about the airdrop. We also shared it few months back. If you have found it, very good. If you didn't, then it's okay. Stay tuned for more. For it, you have just to go on your Telegram, then open the account where you form it, and then just now attach the wallet. You can download Ton wallet or any kind of other wallet. I am just using the Telegram wallet. Then you will attach the wallet. Then it is the method. If you are withdrawing before the listing, it will cost 1.5%, and if you are doing after that, it will cost 0%. But if you are doing, then you can do with 3 exchanges. I am going with Bybit. And for it, you also check while doing the withdrawal, you must check the memo and your address, because if you just misplaced one letter, it will be gone. So as we see them on market trading of kucoin, it is 0.01, so it means it is around $30. I didn't mind it a lot because I just placed a bot and it did automatically. So this is the whole tutorial in the video. Is you follow the video, it will just take you how to deposit it. And it is after, and currently you don't know, you will not receive your Notcoin right now. It will be received after the listing, so don't get worried about it that why we are not receiving. So it is very easy. Just withdraw it as you do from the MetaMask, simply as this, and you will also get notification on Bybit and of any exchanges when it will be withdrawal. So just withdraw it and just wait till it get listed, and after getting listed, you just sell it right on the moment, because its price will fall, because it has billions of supply. It is a meme coin, almost a meme coin. It is a game token, but it is also considered as a meme coin because there is no game left behind after the listing. So stay tuned and have a good day. See you soon.